Mommy, Dada.
Hello, Olivia.
Mommy.
Hello, good evening.
Mommy. Mommy.
Hello, Olivia. Can you see me? Oh, not yet. You can't see me. Okay, there. Hi. Hello. Hello. I'm sorry. I can't see you. Oh, there you are. Hello. Hello, mommy. Good evening. Hello, Olivia. Nice to see you again. Welcome back to our class. Oh, that's Daddy. Hello, Daddy. Good evening. Good evening. Oh, Olivia. Wow. Wow. I really like your bangs. Your hair bangs. How are you today?
Happy today.
Yes, you're happy today. How's your school today? Mm-hmm. How's your school today? What did you do?
I play
Oh. Mm-hmm. You play with the school with your classmates? Mm-hmm. Very good. Okay, so what subject did you take today? What subject did you take today? How was your school?
school.
Oh, you don't have school today?
I have school today.
Ah, okay. I thought you don't have school. Are you just play? You just play today with your classmates? Anything else? What did you do at home? Did you already take a bath?
Yes.
Wow. Who's taking a bath with you? Or you can take a bath alone?
Grandma.
Oh, grandma. So who was blowing your hair? Blower your hair.
Grandma.
Wow, that's why your hair is so shiny. Yes, your hair is shiny and it looks like smells good. Did you have already have your toothbrush? Did you brush your teeth?
What?
Not yet. When you will
No.
brush your teeth?
Wait.
Mm-hmm. Before I will brush my teeth.
Before I go to bed.
Yes, very good. But how about now? What you will do? I will
I will.
have a lesson. Mm-hmm. Have my dinner. Okay. Did you have already eat your dinner?
Yeah.
Oh, what did you eat tonight?
Tonight I
Mm-hmm.
eat sweet corn and the
Mm-hmm. Wow, that's delicious. Okay, how was your Mid-Autumn Festival?
festival. Really,
Mm-hmm.
festival. Um,
Did you eat moon cake?
Spoon cake. No,
Yes. Oh, you don't like moon cake?
I like moon cake.
Ah, okay. During a Mid-Autumn Festival, what is your favorite part of having a festival?
A fish.
Oh, you
And-
can have a fish. And
And hot.
hot. What is that? Money?
What?
Oh, what is that?
Hot.
A corn.
Yes.
Wow, you can eat corn. Okay, thank you for sharing. Very good, Olivia. Now let's start to our lesson. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, let's start.
Track 7.
Listen and circle the picture you hear. Number 1.
Dave. Dave.
Dave.
Dave.
Dave.
Number 2.
Cave. Cave.
Number 3.
Cape. Cape.
Kate.
Number 4.
Lake. Lake.
Number 5.
Cake. Cake.
Number 6.
Wave. Wave.
Okay, now let's answer this one. Number 1 is the person named Dave. Dave. Okay, what is a cave? What is a cave? Do you still remember? What is a cave, Olivia? It's like a tunnel. Yes, you can see inside the water and rocks formation. This is a cave. Cape. What is a cape, Olivia? Number 3. What is a cape? Cape, like a superhero. Okay, circle the cape. Number 3.
Number 3. Cave.
Cape.
I have the cave. Where's the cave?
This is a cape. Like a superhero. Yes.
This one.
Oh, very good. Okay, next. How about cake? Okay, lake. What do you know about lake? Lake.
Lake.
Lake. Lake is a body of water. You can go fishing.
Fishing.
Lake. Lake.
Lake. This one.
Okay, this lake. This is a lake. This is a snail. A snail. Okay, number 5. Cake. Cake. What is cake?
Cake. Where's the cake? What's your name?
Cake. Blow a cake. When during a birthday. What is it? Happy birthday to you. Okay, very good. Next, number 6. Wave.
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 Oh, that is Dave. That is Dave. This is wave. Wave in ocean. Okay, next. Look at the picture and complete the word. Number 2, what is this?
Cave,
Hmm,
lake,
What is this? Number 2, Olivia? Tap.
shoe, cat,
Okay, this one. What is this?
what's that?
Mm-hmm.
It's
What is this? Superhero likes to wear.
a day, where,
Mm-hmm.
where, Dave, we,
Mm-hmm. Okay, this is a cape. C-A-P. Okay, how about this? What is this? What's this? Snail. Okay, this one is nail. Mm-hmm.
Astrology. Anywhere to choose sweet,
Oh. Okay, next. How about this? What is the girl doing?
Coquette.
Uh-huh, not cooking. She is baking.
Baking.
Baking. Mhm.
Um,
Okay. Now put your answer B. B. Put B. Put B. Okay, this one like this. Bake. Okay, next number 4. Oh, you still remember this? What is this? It's like a tunnel. Yes, it's like a tunnel. What is this?
I know where
It's a cave. Cave. Okay. Put your answer. C. Letter C.
What was the C? Okay. C. The C.
A.
A.
Okay, what is the next? P.
P.
P. Very good. Okay, how about this? What place is this? Oh, this one.
What is that? What
Mhm.
kind of
This is a lake. A
lake?
lake. Okay. L.
A.
Mhm.
B.
K. K. Lake. Lake. Very good. Okay, now what is this?
What's that?
Oh, what's the person doing? She's putting some coins. He wants to,
Say.
yes, save. Okay, put the answer, save.
Half and
Okay, save. Very good. S A V E. Save. Okay, very good. Now let's proceed to the next. Circle the correct word. Okay, what is this? This one is
was
cape. Cape. How about this? Number 2. What is number 2? What is
What?
number 2?
Number 2.
Mm-hmm.
Number 2.
It's a lake. Okay, circle the word lake and put the correct answer.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Lake. Lake. L.
Mm-hmm.
L.
Wow. L-A-K-E. Okay, circle the lake. This one, the lake. L-A-K-E. Lake. Next, number 3. Okay, what is this? What is the person doing? He was.
What?
What is this?
You save money.
Yes, save money. Okay, next. Number 4. What is this?
What is that? Number 4. 4. Sana. Sana.
Okay, this one. Dave or wave? Choose your answer.
Wait.
Okay, wave. Okay, well done. Good job. Now match the words to the pictures. Mm-hmm.
What? We will.
Mm-hmm.
Ôi chắc hồi mà ôi
Wave is number 1. Wave number 2. How about number 2? What's the answer? Number 2. Mm-hmm. Okay, rake. What is rake? Oh, this one, the snail. Okay, rake. Okay, now match the words and the pictures. Hello. Okay, this is rake. Next, tape. Where is tape? Friend, where is tape? Okay, well done. Rake and tape. Tape. Okay, where is the tape? Okay, rake, cape, save. Okay, this one. Save. Repeat after me. Broom. One is tape. Number 2 is rake. Number 3 is cape. Number 4 is wave. Okay, good job. Now we are done with our lesson. Do you want to play a game? Let's play a game, Olivia. Okay, can you see this picture? Okay, now let's have okay, there. Can you see now? Can you see now, Olivia? Yes or no? Now let's guess the cards. Okay, repeat after me. What is this? Zap. Zap. Oh, I can't hear you. Please unmute now. I can't hear you. What is this? Zap. Next. Gnat. 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 Next. Sad. Sad. Oh, please unmute now. Ask to unmute. Okay. Unmute now. Okay, there. What is this? Sad. When do you feel sad? Olivia, when do you feel sad? Mhm. Okay. When you're busy. Okay, next. Mad. What is mad?
Mad.
Mm-hmm.
Mad. What's that?
Mad. Okay. Next. What is this? Zap. Okay, next. What word is this? Zip. Okay, let's play a game. I think you're sleepy now. Now let's have a game. Mm-hmm. This one. Mm-hmm. Okay, choose your number, Olivia.
Number 4.
Number 4. Okay, what is it? You give me 15 points. Next, my turn. How many crayons? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 crayons. Next, your turn.
Number 3.
Number 3. What is number 3? What color is it?
Color black.
Okay, black or gray? Gray.
Gray.
Very good. Next. How many fish do you see? How
1,
many fish?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5.
Mm-hmm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 10. Always 10. Okay, next. Your turn.
7, 9.
9. What is it? Oh my God, you take 10 points. My turn. How many birds do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
2.
Okay, 8 birds. Oh, 9. Next, your turn.
Number.
Mm-hmm.
Number. Number.
Mm-hmm. What is it? 7, 6, 5, 2, 1. Oh, 11. Do you like number 11 or 14, 13?
Number 7.
7. Okay, how many cars do you see? How many?
How many?
I have.
I have
How many cars do you have?
1, 2, 2, 4.
Okay, 4 cars. Okay, good job. Next.
1, 2, 1.
Next. My turn. 14. How many kites? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 kites. Your turn. 10, 11, 12.
Number 4.
Mm-hmm.
Number
11. Okay. Wait. Next. Number 11. What is it? How many books? How many books do you see? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 books.
5.
Yes.
1, 2.
Good job. Next, my turn. 13. How many socks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6. 6. Your turn, Olivia.
Number
12,
Number
8, 6, 5, 2, 1.
2.
Okay, what is number 2?
1, 2, 3.
How many bananas do you see?
1, 2, 3. 3 bananas.
4. 4 bananas.
4.
Next, my turn. What is it? Lips. Lips. Mouth. Okay, next. 1, 5, 6, 12.
Number 12.
Okay, what's it? What is it? 1. What number do you like?
Number 12.
Okay, 5. What is it?
Snake.
Snake. Good job. Okay, my turn. 12. How many balls?
1, 4.
1 ball. Okay, next. This one.
20.
The other team loses 20 points. Next, number 1. How many robots do you see?
1 robot and a 2 robot.
Mm-hmm.
2 robot. 2 robot.
Okay, 1 robot. Wow. Okay, who is the winner? Team 2. Congrats. Congratulations. Okay, let's have a... Good job, Olivia. Now, oh, it's almost time. Sorry, Olivia. I will have early class. Okay, that's all for today. See you next class, Olivia. Bye-bye. Goodbye. Goodbye. Thank you. Thank you, Daddy. Thank you, Olivia. Bye.